and most of the players point with these hands straight. See, and then you play facing the court. When you play, you need to be sideways. The first thing you do is to rotate your shoulders. Forehand in 5 steps. You're gonna do 1, look at the ball, 2, this step, double step, and then you're gonna throw the ball to me. With your legs, it's exactly the same footwork, but you're gonna use your racket now, okay? So you're gonna start here, split step, and then you do 1. And when you do 1, you keep the racket facing that, okay? And then 2, double step, right? And then when you play, you drop the ball like this, here. You wanna play your left hand, okay? You remember I was saying that you and most of the players point with these hands straight, see, and then you play facing the court. When you play, you need to be sideways. The first thing you do is to rotate your shoulders, okay? With this step, 1, and rotate your shoulders, okay? And your hand is pointing to the fence instead of pointing there, okay? So as you need to point to the fence, you're gonna do 1, then 2, you keep your hand, right? You don't move this hand, you do the movement with this arm, and you keep it. So I'm gonna feed the ball to you. You're gonna catch the ball and stop. And when you stop, I wanna see your hand. If the hand is on your side, or if you catch it here. Okay? So you're gonna stop. Okay? You're gonna stop here. Okay? Here. The hand on this side. Then if you are like that, for example, you just step in and you drop the ball on your side, here in front of you. Okay? Here. Okay? Like this. Okay? But then you can use your legs like this, okay? Here, and go. Now you want to work how you finish the racket, okay? Answering the bounce here, okay? You can do 1, 1, 3, like this, or you can do like this, okay? Or you can just work here. I like it more here because look, if you finish the racket, if you finish like this, you have just a little space here. If you finish on the heart of the racket, you have more space between your arm and your body. Okay? It's better. So now you're gonna do with this. Here, you can see from there. Here, you're gonna do normal, open, and then when you play, you're gonna play. You see? Elbow up, you finish and you keep the distance. Now you're gonna work a bit your contact points, because you need to play in front of you, okay? With distance between your body, your chest and the head of the racket. So you need this distance and not in front of you, but on your side. Okay? And if you really play on your side and in front of you, finish the ball when you play, okay? You see, the racket is going, and to finish, naturally you're gonna fall. Either you fall to the side, okay? Or you fall forward, or you need to play and stay. What you cannot do is to move back or to play and already go back to recover, because first you need to go forward and the racket will be straight here. You see? And then from here you finish. You see, like a windshield in the car, like this. You see, when it's raining. Okay, so you're gonna do this for now, and you're gonna answer the phone. And for this, you're gonna use the net. I'm gonna show you. Look, you hold the ball like this. Okay? You hold it with the same position. You remember 1, 2 double step. When you finish double steps, 1, 2 double step, and you're gonna play it. And you're gonna hold the ball here. Okay? Here. And then from here I say now, then you play to my hand. Like this. Before you start, the most important thing when you hit your forehand is the way you hold the racket. Okay? So instead of holding like you do here, it's easier, or you have more margin to progress if you put your hand like that. It's called semi-western grip, okay? And when you do the first position, your hand is naturally, you see, like you did, facing the fence, okay? And one tip to help you keep this grip is first